So, I don't really know what exactly happened. I know Frank didn't have his
logbook.
Yeah, he didn't have his logbook all filled out, so the police can't tell if he was driving like within regulation or something like that. So he has to pay this huge fine. It's like over 1,000 euro. So he's getting the money right now. The cops are sort of directing traffic around our bus. Oh, yep, there he goes. Keep on waving, sir. But yeah, so I guess that's about it. It's nothing to really worry about. Well, I mean, it is something to worry about, but like, not for you to worry about like, safety or anything. Because, please calm down. I guess that's about it.